I think getting a qualification as you go is the best option. I did look at going to university to get a degree, got accepted and everything, but I thought if you can earn money within a business and still get a qualification at the same time, I thought that was just a better route for me to go down.
Hi, you're through to Chloe at Powered Now. How can I help?
A lot of my friends did go off to uni, but looking back at it now, they're all stressed at uni, in debt, saying they're poor, when I'm here earning money, getting a qualification at the same time. They do enjoy uni, but at the moment I think I've got the upper hand. They're not guaranteed a job at the end of it, and you think of how many people come out of university each year and how many of those people are unemployed. That was another reason I went down the apprenticeship route, was if you get your foot in the door, there's possibility for you to be able to progress in that business, and by the time they're out of uni you could be one of the managers within the business. You could have progressed by that time, and in those 4 years if you work hard I think you get rewarded for that.